Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to fix your account cannot be created at this time in Apple ID. If you're using any iPhone and you want to create your own Apple ID but you cannot, so let's see how can you easily fix that issue or how can you easily create new Apple account. So first of all, just have to open up your settings, and from here you have to make sure that you have a stable internet connection. It might be a Wi-Fi or cellular because sometimes it might be that your internet connection is not stable, so you might get these type issues. So you have to try to enable or disable your airplane mode up to 4 to 5 times. It will make a quick refresh into your network settings. Then go for general, and you have to make sure that you're not connected to any VPN. Or if you are connected, then I try to disconnect with the VPN. Then go back and here go for this software update section, and you have to make sure that you haven't any software update available, or if you have any software update, try to update your software. Once you have updated, you have to retry to continue or create your new Apple ID. Or if you are still having the same issues, now what you have to do, you have to open up your browser, or the first way is that you have to open up your settings, then go for this app section, and here you have to look for mail app. Once you get the mail app, simply select that, and here you just have to select mail accounts, then select add account, and here you have to select your iCloud, and then select create new Apple account. And from here you can easily create a new Apple account, or if you still cannot create a new account in this method or in the way, so now what you have to do, you have to open up your browser, and here you have to go for search and search for support.apple.com. So you have to search for support.apple.com or Apple Support, and you will get this type website. You have to open up your iPhone section, and from here you have to get official help. So just scroll down and look for get support option. Simply tap on the start now, and here select the more option, and you have to look for App Store. Here tap on it, and here you have to tap on continue, and then scroll down again. You will get the option of get more help, then select call us, and here you have to call on this number. Once you have called, you can discuss your issue with your Apple customer, and from here you can easily get official help or support from your Apple. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.